Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Giga Pnut token. Now the Giga Pnut is trending #1 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. This is a very popular Solana meme coin based off two different memes, Gigachad and Pnut. So now we have Giga Pnut, ticker symbol Gnut. This token has an $8.6 million 24-hour trading volume, and this token only came out 9 hours ago, so it's doing very well. And we're going to go over the information on the Giga Pnut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, in the past 24 hours, this token is up 1,867%. Trending #1, very popular token here. You can find it on SolScan. You can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, or Bird Eye if you're looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical info. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Giga Pnut Sol. And this token here has a web page, a Telegram, and the Twitter. You can see the contract address is right on the Twitter right here. Real easy to find that. It ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, which is a meme coin or a website for creating Solana meme coins. And they have 36 posts so far. It says, when squirrels evolve into legends, you get Gnut. Then it has a Telegram link there at Giga Pnut Sol on Telegram and at Giga Pnut Sol on Twitter. Same address, and then their webpage is linked under the contract address gigapnut.xyz. Now they just joined in September 2024 on Twitter. 5,263 Twitter followers, 36 posts, and in their pinned tweet they also have the Dex Screener chart link, and they also have the contract address. So it's real easy to find the address for this token here. If you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet. You could use a Solflare or Phantom wallet. Now you would download one of these wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your account you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage because I don't believe there is taxes on this token. And you probably will have to pay some gas fees because that happens when you buy tokens off a decentralized exchange. And this token could be also available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, and Orca. And their Telegram here has 490 subscribers. You could also preview the Telegram channel before joining. But the Telegram, the Twitter, those are both going to be great places to see updates, memes, new partnerships, token listings, you name it. They're all on there. And their webpage here has links to everything as well. They have a link to buy the token, Twitter, Telegram, charts, frequently asked questions, lots of memes all over the webpage. So it says, what is Gnut? Gnut is the ultimate tribute to Pnut Giga transformation, an alpha squirrel legacy in token form. Why a squirrel? Because Giga Pnut spirit transcends all species. Squirrels are nature's true Sigma warriors. Is a Gnut rabies-free? Well, absolutely. This token comes with a certified rabies-free guaranteed for your peace of mind. Now, I would have thought Gigachad would be on them rabies, if you know what I'm talking about. But it says here, what's the connection to Gigachad? Imagine Gigachad, but smaller, faster, and 100% more nut-centric. That's Gnut energy. What can I do with Gnut? Flex your squirrel superiority, dominate memes, and bask in the glory of Giga greatness. Will Gnut save Pnut? It's too late for that, but Gnut ensures his legacy never stops flexing. And why should I care about Gnut? Because every nut deserves respect, and Gnut is the Giga tribute you didn't know you needed. At the bottom of the page, contract address, so all the info there is on their Twitter. Now, this token is still trending number 1, came out 9 hours ago. They have been doing some marketing on Dex Screener. They have the marketing boost ads button. It says 5,500 lightning bolts. This token is up almost 2,000% now. In the past 24 hours, it's up 1,982%. $8.6 million 24-hour trading volume. Just today, they've had 59,451 transactions. They have $194,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price today, 0.0019 USD. And it says here, the pair was created 9 hours, 6 minutes ago on Raydium, and they have 407 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 50,743,000 pooled Gnut tokens. Now it says they have a quick audit here. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And if you go over to Dex Tools, you can find a different quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And that one says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. This token has a total supply and circulating supply of 999.99 million tokens. And right now, they have 20,660 holders. So doing very, very well, this token here. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.